Hey guys, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. So today I'm going to redo this board, and as you saw, I sprayed it with water, I wiped it with a Clorox wipe, and now I have a brand new surface I can chalk on, and that's what I love about Chalk Couture. Now I'm going to be using the 9x12 Aiden chalkboard that we offer, and this comes with a black or white frame, and this transfer is our May Club Couture transfer that's coming out. So every month Chalk Couture has something called Club Couture where they come out with a new transfer, and this one, I'm telling you, you guys, is gonna be a sellout. So I am gonna take pre-orders for this one. If you're interested, just message me, because I'm telling you, it's gonna go quick. They do come back in stock, but if you want it right away, let me know and I'll make sure I get you one ordered. So when you get our transfers, number one, you can buy it straight through me at chalkinwithjen.com. But what's really nice is on the back of each and every one of our transfers, it gives you the directions on how to use them. It tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store, because all of our transfers are a silk screen transfer that you can reuse anywhere from 8 to 15 uses. So how great is that? You can make beautiful designs over and over again. You can make gifts for family and friends. So it's just a really cool design concept. Now I'm using our Chalkology paste, and our Chalkology chalk paste comes in 35 different colors. It is all water soluble and semi-permanent. So what that means is, as long as you don't seal your design, again, you can change this out each and every month when we have that new Club Couture that comes out. So super cool. And if you'd love to learn more, please reach out to me. Now this one, as you saw, in the previous step, involves a little bit of layering. So when you are layering with one of our transfers, you just need to make sure that the bottom layer is dry. And all you need to do is, if you have a heating element, if you're a crafter, you can use that. Or if you're just, your average person like me, I just use my hair dryer and it totally dries it within a few seconds. Now this design, you guys, there are so many things you can do with it, and I thought it was just super cute. I couldn't wait to show you. So there are 3 ways to be a part of Chalk Couture. You can purchase, again, right through my website at chalkinwithjen.com. If you're local to me, you can host a make and take or sip and chalk, and how cool would that be to get together with your girlfriends each and every month to change out your boards? Or if you want, you can become a designer like me, and we are looking for designers all across the U.S., as this is a true ground floor opportunity and we're really looking to grow. So just reach out to me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all the fun crafty videos that I'm going to be coming out with all our new fun products. And I hope you love the end result. If you have any questions, again, reach out to me, send me a message. I'd love to answer that for you. And I hope you love the result of the Enjoy the Journey transfer for our May Club Couture. Have a good day.